In the late 1960s, I saw 4 model cars from Poscher in Italy advertised in a magazine for $350 to $400 each. That's $3,180 to $3,540 in 2025 currency. I thought it was cool, but who could afford that? Around 1977, I saw a newspaper ad from Kmart for the same models for $35 and $40 respectively, or approximately $187 to $214 in today's money. I guess it was still a lot of money, even though it was heavily discounted. My brother was visiting us in Minnesota from the Air Force. He and I went to Kmart, and I bought a $40 1932 Rolls-Royce Sedanka Phantom, and he bought the $35 1932 Alfa Romeo Spider Touring Grand Sport. In 1977, I assembled the Rolls-Royce. This model is about 18 inches long and had 2,200 parts with working headlights, steering, brakes, and reciprocating pistons operated by a crank. After 48 years, it needs some attention. I then started working on the Alfa Romeo, assembling the 6-wire wheels and the engine. I have moved this model from house to house over the years and finally found time to complete it. My brother seemed to have little recollection of the model and certainly no interest in finishing it. So, in May 2025, I began working on it. The Alfa Romeo has 1,954 parts made of polystyrene, brass, nickel, aluminum, rubber, and leather. Most of the parts were meticulously designed and easy to assemble. The ill-fitting parts created a real challenge, and I often found myself ordering tiny metric nuts, washers, and threaded stainless steel rods from Amazon. All in all, the project was enjoyable and rewarding. The seats are real leather, and I converted the headlights from grain-of-wheat bulbs to LED lights operated from a switch on the dashboard. The model took 183 hours to complete. This time, I made a cherry base and an acrylic cover to protect the model.